Indonesia has announced plans to move its capital from the climate-threatened megalopolis of Jakarta to the sparsely populated island of Borneo, which is home to some of the world's greatest tropical rainforests. The move was necessary because the burden on Jakarta was too heavy. But environmentalists said the $33 billion relocation needed to be carefully handled, or it would result in fleeing one ecological disaster only to create another, as well as dire problems of pollution and traffic congestion. Jakarta suffers from severe subsidence, which makes the coastal city extremely vulnerable to rising sea levels. Poor urban planning on land that was originally swamp, along with the unregulated draining of aquifers, has left 40% of the city under sea level. The worst affected neighborhoods are reportedly sinking 10-20 cm per year, one of the fastest rates in the world. Although the government has planned huge new sea defenses, Widodo has expressed frustration at the slow pace of progress. This huge project will need to be done quickly to prevent Jakarta from sinking under the sea, he said last month. The relocation aims to ease the pressure on Jakarta by moving its administrative functions about 1,000 km to Kalimantan, which is the Indonesian portion of the island of Borneo, which is also shared with Malaysia and Brunei. Jakarta will continue to be a commercial and financial center, and the majority of its nearly 10 million residents are likely to stay. Construction on the new capital would begin next year on a plot of 40,000 hectares by around 2024. The government expects to start moving some of its 1.5 million civil servants to the new bureaucratic center. Widodo has stressed that relocation, which was first mooted decades ago, will put the capital in the center of Indonesia's archipelago of 17 decent islands. The location is very strategic. It's in the center of Indonesia and close to urban areas. Jakarta has sucked people and money to the island of Java, which is home to 60% of the country's population and more than half of its economic activity. Kalimantan is almost 4 times bigger, but accounts for less than a tenth of the gross domestic production. Despite the presence of a few major cities, its population density is 38 times lower than that of Java. It wants to build a smart, green city on state land, near the existing urban centers of Balikpapan and Samarinda. Known as Kalimantan, Indonesia's section of Borneo, the island it shares with Malaysia and Brunei, is home to major mining activities as well as rainforests, and is one of the few places on Earth with orangutans in their natural habitat. In your opinion, will Indonesia succeed in establishing the new capital? Share your opinion with us in the comments. And here we reach the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.